Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. I hope everybody is doing great. So today I'm coming back with a new blanket which I just finished, and I'm gonna explain to you how I made it. In a while I'll refer you to the video where the full tutorial is. So this is the moss stitch blanket which I recently did. It's a very easy blanket to do if you're familiar with the moss stitch. I have used two colors, which is brown and caramel, and the written pattern will be in the description box, which will have all the information. All in all, I have used 8 skeins of yarn and an 8mm crochet hook. So I used a bigger hook than the usual recommended one. This blanket is made of 158 rows and the measurement is 115 by 92 centimeters. What else? So I have done around 126 of the brown one initially, and then I did 3 rows of the caramel followed by 3 rows of the brown, again 3 rows of the caramel, and again 3 rows of the brown, and ended with 20 rows of the caramel to finish the blanket. And this is how it looks, the final look of it. So the video will be linked in the description box or above the video on how to exactly make the moss stitch. It's a very easy tutorial and very easy stitch to do. It's just repetitive throughout the work. And it doesn't take more than 4 days to finish the entire blanket. So this is how much it took me. If you have any questions, do not forget to leave it in the comment section. If you like this blanket, let me know, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.